Hello, I'm Mike Esker and welcome to This Old Geek. Now, with Christmas not too far away, I decided to forego any other projects that I was considering or may have already started and do something a little more Christmassy. As you can see, I have my festive holiday sweatshirt on and I have a fresh haircut, I'm clean shaven, and I'm all ready for the holidays. But first, I want to give a big heartfelt thank you to those of you who have already subscribed to my channel. I still have a long way to go, but I really appreciate the support and the wonderful comments that a lot of you give me. And I made this channel to share with you what I enjoy doing and hopefully inspire people to do what they enjoy doing. You don't have to be a master at anything. You don't have to be the best, just as long as you enjoy doing what you do. So with that being said, my next project is an elf. Now, I usually draw up a picture before I start a project. Not always. Sometimes I just do it off the top of my head and it turns out how it turns out. But I'm probably going to be making some changes to it as I go along. It's not going to look exactly like this probably when I'm finished. It never really does, but this is just my springboard, my reference. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's get cracking. So here's my reference, and I have me a nice sturdy piece of corrugated cardboard. Now, sometimes I will draw out a pattern on a piece of paper and I'll trace it on here, and sometimes I'll just freehand it onto the cardboard, which I'm going to do right now. So all I need, most of this is going to be built up with the foil. So all I need is just a basic shape. That's it. So this is my armature. You see it's just simple and basic. I just, need to have an idea what the shape of the body is going to be, the basic shape, that's all I need, and the feet. So I'm going to build all this up with aluminum foil and just gradually do that. Essentially you're actually sculpting first with the aluminum foil, and then on top of that we're going to sculpt with the homemade paper clay. So I need to get this to look like this. Kind of looks like I'm going to make a penguin, which I could. Be a great winter time project, but that's not what I'm doing. So I'm going to start with aluminum foil. I'm just going to start with the feet. I'm just going to wrap these up here a bit at a time. Now I'm going to try to use my glue gun as little as possible. You don't have to use it all the time. Saves on the glue and I burn my fingers a lot less. So always be careful with the glue gun. Well, hot glue gun. That's why they call it a hot glue gun. It's very hot. So do be careful. So this is, of course, going to take some time. You just want to keep building it up until you get it to look about, the way you want it to. And get it all ready for the paper clay. Now, I did glue these feet on here with the hot glue gun. Okay, get things started. Now it's time to go to some time-lapse photography. this is what I have so far. I actually ran out of the aluminum foil, so now I have to go to the store and get some more. But that's okay, I just use the empty roll for the candy cane here. So that was a little serendipitous. And I cut out a piece of cardboard for the hook, taped it on here, and hot glued this to the body. So now all I have to do is build some more of this up with the aluminum foil, and then all this is going to get covered with paper mache clay. And I need to put something down here. Probably just tape that. And there you go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and happy holidays. And until I get to the store and come back and finish this, I'll have it in the next video. Have a great day.